Alright, DLW 664 Productions here, and today I'll be showing you what I've done to Grand Trunk Western 6039 U1C's vintage Marx locomotive to make it run. But first, here's a clip of the engine running, along with its train. Due to the engine lacking a third rail pickup, as they were originally two-rail designed I believe, I had to add in my own, so I used a piece of roofing material that was supplied to me by Gran, and I just ran wires to all the normal contact places. The motor also had an issue where the magnets would pull and jam the motor, however that was simply fixed with a wire tie. Due to the third rail pickup being highly sprung, it would push the locomotive off the track, which was an issue. So I added a penny roll in the front, as seen here, and a penny roll in the back of the cab, as seen here. Now the engine runs, and there's one flaw with the engine. It does not run over switches very well. It does not like them. However, it does run, and it will run on a circular loop of track. Other than that, I consider this restoration a success. Thank you for watching, and for now, this is DLW 664 Productions, signing off.